on homelessness, let's be honest, homelessness and the profile of homelessness has shifted dramatically. There's no question. And that's the reality. If you look at the figures, sorry?
Deputy O'Brien, the last time, Deputy O'Brien,
I'm not blaming any. You're wrong.
Sorry, Taoiseach. Excuse me. Stop
the biggest
the clock,
factor.
please.
If you look at the figures,
Deputy O'Brien, there's nothing special about
Deputy O'Brien,
you.
you're not leader yet of Sinn Féin, and by the looks of things, you'll be a long time waiting. Look, the fundamental change in homelessness, and it's still an issue without question, is the fact that about less than 50% are now Irish citizens. Migration has impacted hugely on homelessness. The facts speak for themselves. Look, if we can't have an honest debate, look, don't be getting into high dudgeon now. That is the truth. That is the truth, unfortunately, whether you like it or not. And you can try and make all the commentary you like about that. And I say that, sorry?
Deputy Holly Cairns.
Look at the Dublin figures alone.
Thank you, Taoiseach. Deputy Holly Cairns.